Deen body Quran chat, so AI Quran and prayer times app. So this is the app AI Quran daily verses and prayer app. It's your AI powered Quran companion. Get instant answers to Quranic questions, receive daily inspirational verses, and stay on track with accurate prayer time notifications. Ask any Quran related questions. Bookmark, enhance prayer time notifications, accurate prayer time alerts, customizable Adhan notification. So one of the best chats out there for this. And then yeah, you can just open it up. And then this is kind of looks like a chat GPT. And then yeah, you can just enter the name. And then yeah, you can just have the idea in here. Yeah, so then you can just have some buttons, notifications, and just go through the chat like that. So yeah,